Hello and welcome to ISC Class 12 Maths Tutorial. I am Qaisar and today's topic is determinants. आइए पहले आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, एक दो उर्दू के लफ्ज हैं, उनकी मीनिंग देखिए. जीनत सुंदरता, खूबसूरती. पुरसिशे गम, गम के दुख दर्द के बारे में पूछना, हाल चाल जानना, दुख दर्द पूछना. शायर कहता है, गुलशन की फकत फूलों से नहीं कांटों से भी जीनत होती है. गुलशन की फकत फूलों से नहीं कांटों से भी जीनत होती है. जीने के लिए इस दुनिया में गम की भी जरूरत होती है. जीने के लिए इस दुनिया में गम की भी जरूरत होती है. वो पुरसिश गम को आए हैं, कुछ कह न सकूं, चुप रह न सकूं. वो पुरसिश गम को आए हैं, कुछ कह न सकूं, चुप रह न सकूं. खामोश रहूं तो मुश्किल है, कह दूं तो शिकायत होती है. खामोश रहूं तो मुश्किल है, कह दूं तो शिकायत होती है. थैंक यू. Determinants. First of all, we'll understand what a determinant is. What is the definition of a determinant? How is it different from a matrix? Alright, important. One side there is the matrix, on the other side there is a determinant. What is the difference between the two? And how are we going to define a determinant? In terms of with the help of a matrix, a square matrix. Alright? Matrices we have in ISC class 10. So you have the basic knowledge. What is the matrix, and then different types of matrix. Rectangular matrix, row matrix, column matrix, the order of a matrix, a square matrix. All these things already you know. If you want the details, I mean, there is a video on this. I have made one video lesson on this matrices. If you want to watch, you may watch it. Square matrix, I am telling you once again, what is a square matrix? A square matrix is a matrix in which the number of rows and the number of columns, they are equal. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. If there are 2 rows, then there should be 2 columns. If there are 3 rows, then there should be 3 columns. Then we call it a square matrix. Alright? Now see the definition. To every square matrix, we are using capital A to represent a matrix. To every square matrix, A is equal to Aij. And you know, we write down within a square bracket the elements of a matrix. This is the general element, Aij. Aij is the element in the ith row and jth column. For different values of I and j, you can get different elements of the matrix. Alright. So to every square matrix A is equal to Aij, where Aij is the element in the ith row and jth column of order n, we can associate a number called determinant of the matrix A, written as determinant of A or determinant of A between two vertical lines, determinant of A, or delta, means determinant of A. We use delta to represent determinant of a matrix. Alright. So to every square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n, we can associate a number called determinant of the matrix A, written as determinant of A or determinant of A or delta. Let A be a matrix, elements are A, B, C, D. There are two rows, two horizontal lines, so two rows, one horizontal line, one row, the second horizontal line, so two rows, one vertical line column, the second vertical line, so two columns and two rows. So it is a square matrix, and because two rows and two columns, so it's of order 2. So let A is equal to A, B, C, D be a square matrix of order 2. Then we write delta, that means determinant of A. You can write it like this also, determinant of A. Alright, then delta, that means determinant of A is equal to, now see the elements are same, A, B, C, D, but now we are writing within between two vertical lines. And this we evaluate, we write AD, we cross multiply, AD minus BC, AD minus BC. This is how we write down this determinant A, B, C, D. Alright? So if A is equal to A, B, C, D is a matrix, a square matrix of order 2, then the determinant of the matrix, of this square matrix A, which we write down, you can write down determinant of, you can write down delta, is equal to A, B, C, D, same element, but between the two vertical lines. And we evaluate this, we write this like AD minus BC. First left top to this element, right bottom, we multiply A into D, AD minus, and then B into C, BC. Alright? Clear? We can have a square matrix of order 3 by 3 also, of order 3. Alright, but now we are talking about, let's understand first, we are talking about a matrix, square matrix of order 2. Now see, one important point here I have written, only square matrices have determinants. So if you want to write down the determinant of a matrix, that matrix should be a square matrix. Here you have order 2 by 2, order is 2, you can have order 3. Order, I am not saying that it has to be only 2 by 2. Any order, but it should be a square matrix. So please remember, only square matrices have determinants. Fine. So I hope the definition of a determinant is very clear, and how we evaluate the determinant, AD minus BC. Now let's do one or two simple questions. The first question I am taking from our ISC book, exercise 5A. Exercise 5A. The first question I am taking is this one. The question is evaluate the determinant 2541. Evaluate the determinant 2541. The question is, 5A, exercise 5A, first question, first sub question. Alright, so that is my first question. Delta is equal to, I am writing delta is equal to delta is equal to 2541. 2541. This is the determinant. Delta we are writing delta is equal to 2541. We have to evaluate. You know how to evaluate. So this is equal to how much? 2 into 1. 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5. 4 into 5. And that gives you 2 1s are 2 and 4 5s are 20. Alright. And this gives you how much? Minus 18. This gives you minus 18, and minus 18 is the answer. Minus 18 is the answer. This is the answer. Minus 18. Okay, understood how to evaluate the determinant. 2 on the 2, like A into D. Minus 4 into 5, like A, B into C, right? Basic. One more question. One more question. This is second question. This is my second question, but in the book it is third question. Third question is 3M45. 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 Alright, this is equal to, it's given, this is equal to 3. Let me write it like this. It's given 3M45. 3M45. This is equal to 3. Then we have to find out the value of M. Alright. M we have to find out. Question is, if this is equal to 3, then find out the value of M. That's the question. So let's simplify. Let's evaluate left hand side. 3 into 5 is 15. Directly I am writing down 15. You can write down one more step as I showed you in the previous solution. So 3 into 5 is 15, right? Okay, 15 minus 4 into M is 4M. Okay, and this is equal to 3. Now this 4M you transpose from left hand side to the right hand side. So plus 4M, and this 3 comes to this side. So 15 minus 3 equal to 4M. So 4M is equal to 15 minus 3. That is 4M is equal to how much? 12. And therefore M is equal to how much? M is equal to how much? 4 3s are 12. 3. This is the answer. M is equal to 3 is the answer. गॉट इट? क्लियर? सो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको लेक्चर अच्छी तरह समझ में आया होगा। डिटर्मिनेंट की डेफिनेशन एंड हाउ टू इवेलुएट द डिटर्मिनेंट, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आपको ये लेक्चर अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया होगा। ऑलराइट, अगर आपको लेक्चर पसंद आया, समझ में आया, तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, है कि नहीं? ओके देन, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स।